Yo, so what's up? So today we're going to be making a corporate flower singlet, which you can find on my Etsy page. I've clicked the link below. You can find this page right here. You get the sewing pattern and like the summary page. Other products on my Etsy that look like this. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, keep it going, keep it going. Yeah. You can use this flower singlet for activities such as going to the beach, the gym, maybe the sneaky circuit party, yeah. Maybe just going outside, you know. Here's the sewing page right here, all the things you need. You'll get this from the Etsy page if you buy it. It's only like €3. Yeah, all good. For this one, I'm using spandex, and that's it for the fabric. So I use fabric glue to glue the petals to the actual singlet. You can also sew the actual petals to the singlet as well. Just like sew the center of the petal to the corresponding place, you know, the appropriate place. But yeah, I think use glue. I'll explain the glue method a bit later. Yes. So what I'm doing here is just tracing the actual design onto the front panel, and that's supposed to act as a guide to know where to glue on each of the flower pieces onto the actual front panel. Use a washable marker for this part. Just to clarify, what you do is put the paper on top of the fabric, and then with a washable marker, you trace the design on the paper, and the ink should seep through to the fabric, and then you use the resulting ink on the fabric as the guide. All the cutting is explained on the summary page and the sewing pattern pieces anyway, so nothing to worry about, you know. So what I'm doing here is just tracing the cutout onto the actual fabric and then cutting out each petal. I'm also using an overlocker like later on, but yeah, you can also use a sewing machine. Just use a zigzag stitch instead. Here I'm marking out the cutouts on the back panel. So basically just trace the petal onto the actual back panel and just cut it out normally. There's no hemming required. I didn't hem it. So I didn't do this in the video, but if you want a more cleaner edge for the petal and the center circle piece of the flower, what you can do is cut out twice as many of the pieces and then overlock the corresponding piece together. So petal to petal, circle to circle. And then what you do is on like one of the sides, you just cut a little hole, and then you turn it the piece inside out through that hole, and then you use the fabric glue to glue the side with the hole to the front panel of the singlet. This is actually better than actually sewing each petal to the front panel, because if you sew it, then it's only like a little dot, and then it's kind of like each petal is not fully attached to the singlet. Which, if you like that aesthetic, that'd be cool, because like it kind of is more realistic to a petal. Like petals like more flimsy, but because there's two layers, the glue be more less likely to be visible. So that's actually like a really good thing, and it's less time consuming and much more easier to do as well. So yeah, I recommend actually doing the double layer method in hindsight. But again, I haven't like tried it, so maybe it might work. So proceed with caution, I guess. But I think it should work. Like, yeah, always like try to test the glue out as well before use. Actually, now that I think about it, you could also just stuff the petals, because it's a hole. You can put like maybe stuffing in there or something, like some kind of hard thingy. I don't know, to like block the glue from being more visible. I think that's a good idea as well. And like good, like cool little 3D effect as well. Just here, I'm just putting a weight on the petals so like actually glues properly. And after this, after all the flower pieces are on the actual singlet, you just overlock it or sew it like right side together at the shoulder strap part, the sides, and then what you do is hem the neck hole, the arm holes, and then the bottom part, and then you're done. So it isn't that hard. That's like pretty simple, I'd say. It looks like pretty interesting, maybe pretty cool. Yeah. So once everything's done, it should look something like this. The actual garment's supposed to be skin tight, but if it's not skin tight once you're finished, you can just cut the sides and like adjust accordingly, and then overlock the sides, and then it should be fine. Hope you like it. The results. You can check out my other stuff right here. Thank you for watching. Later, stud.